unboxing a Jeffree Star mystery box. Oh yeah, we're excited. If you are new here, if you want to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And if you want to turn on the bell so that you do not miss when I post, because YouTube has been playing a few people. So for Black Friday, Jeffree Star released these mystery boxes, and there was 3 different sizes. There was a small, medium, and then the ultimate. So I got the ultimate, and I ordered within the first 5 minutes, and it was like, get a free lipstick with purchase. And I did. I got the free lipstick, and then a little while later, Jeffree Star sent out this tweet, said that it was a mistake, but he's still gonna honor those lipsticks. So I ordered in the first 5 minutes, and I just received mine today. So I know that him and his facility and his brand and everything were very, very busy. It just kind of sucked when like people were already receiving theirs when I hadn't even had mine processed yet. Like, there wasn't even processing in the facility, let alone shipped. I was like, but I know from watching his snaps that it was a very, very busy in his facility and he had tons of orders. So I respect that they worked as hard as they could, so I'm appreciative. But I got the ultimate size mystery box. So I'm gonna unbox this. I just picked this up from the post office. I have no idea what's inside. I did have to put my clothing size, so I just put a size small. So I'm assuming there's clothes in there. So if there's multiples or duplicates in here, I will be doing a giveaway. So there better be some good stuff in here because I spent some coin. Ow! Okay, let's take this off. What do we got? Okay. Okay. Oh my God. So the very first thing we have here, they got my size right. Size small. This is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Puff Star t-shirt. Oh, it's very soft. Okay. I like that. It's very simple and it is puffy. Puff Spice, I love it. That was who I was as a Spice Girl. I was Puff Spice. It looks like pretty big. I don't know why. It looks baggy, but I could tie it up. What is this? A pop, okay. I had a pop socket once. One of my fans gave one to me when I was at StyleCon, and that was the only pop socket I've ever had, and I haven't used it because like I'm scared to use them. Who gets scared to use a pop socket? Like everyone has a pop. Like every time I go out and I'm like standing in line at Walmart, like everyone in line, even like 90-year-old grandpas have like a pop socket, and I'm like, it has like the grandma's face on it, and I'm like, oh my God, so cute. Or they're goldfish or something, and I'm like at home like scared. Why? I don't know why. I just feel like if I put on a pop socket, as soon as I touch it, my phone is gonna shatter and break. Can you guys comment down below if you use a pop socket and if your phone has broken or fallen out of your hand or anything like that? There is 2 skin, okay, I have never tried a Jeffree Star highlight. Who am I? What queen? I don't love that for me. I have tried Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks, mirrors, palettes, but I've never tried a highlight, so I am so excited that there's 2 in here. This first one here is in mint condition. Okay, so it's nice and big. Please don't be broken. I don't know how like the shipping is. Like you can't trust people that ship things. Like if I was a shipper, I'd be like, mint. Oh my God, I love it. See, this is so Jeffree Star to me, like these colors. I'm so gonna be an alien. I am excited for that. And then I get another one, and this one is in King Tut, and this is the one that I was wanting. It's King Tut one, which right now I'm like, natural pale queen. But normally I have a tan or a spray tan, so this is really gonna complement that. I'm so excited. I've already shown you guys 4 things, and look at how much is already still in here. Already still in here? Did I graduate? What kind of person? So then we have a Supreme Frost, and it's in Frozen Peach. Hi. Didn't he drop this down the stairs? Like he literally was like, dropped it down the stairs and it went all the way down and didn't break. Ooh, we got a lot of highlights from J-Star. Ew, does he mind if I call him J-Star? Hello, hi J-Star. There is a Velour lip scrub. All right, so I love his lip scrubs, but this one, I only hate one flavor, and it's grape. I hate one flavor in the world. Obviously, it's a mystery box, so it's not like you can choose or they know who you are. But I hate the flavor grape, which I have a story time on my channel of why I hate the flavor grape. Oh my God, don't puke. This would be really yummy smelling for people that like grape, but for me, because I'm literally traumatized, not kidding, I will be giving this in a giveaway. So let's set this aside for a giveaway. Okay, then we have a bunch of lip products here. Okay, I think this is more than 175, to be honest. 2 Velour liquid lipsticks, make that 3. And then this is a, okay, there's 4 Velour liquid lipsticks and then a lip ammunition. I've never tried his lip ammunitions. This one's in unicorn black. I mean, mean, poor unicorns. Even though they're mythical creatures. Why do we want to know what their blood looks like? Oh, it's a bullet. Like, bam! Kill the unicorn. Got their blood. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so vampy. I don't know if this is really a color for me, to be honest, because I'm like so pale. So maybe I'll put this in for a giveaway too. I just know I'll never wear that, and if I'm not gonna wear it, I'm gonna give it away for a giveaway for you guys. Baby Daddy is the one that I chose when I was checking out and it said to choose a free liquid lipstick, so I chose Baby Daddy. So I'm glad that they did honor that and put those in there with it. So this one here is a beautiful like nudie, kind of like corpsey nude. Me love that. So I don't know if this is gonna make me look corpsey. I think I'm gonna wait till I have a spray tan, but I love Jeffree Star's liquid lips, and even if they're not really that cute on me, I will mix them. So I'll put this like on the outer corner and then dab a lighter one in the middle. Ew, I'm like gross in the middle, and it looks so good. So that one I will definitely keep. And then we have Can't Relate. I wanted this one when it came out too. I put things in my cart and I leave them for too long, and I leave them for so long that the website like automatically after like a month refreshes itself, and then obviously it's not in my cart anymore because like other people want it and not just like me having it in my cart. Like, so this one I was wanting. Yay! Oh my god. I'm so glad it's not like things that I'm like, oh, I'll never use. Oh, I'll never use. Look at this. Look at the sparkly packaging. And the sparkly packaging is I think the new collection. So that's awesome that there's new stuff. And this one is a beautiful like true nude. Okay, it doesn't have a scent either. I thought he had like vanilla scented stuff. Maybe I'm totally out to lunch, but I am so excited about that. And then the last two, Flamethrower and Diamond. Let's look at Diamond. Oh my god. Look at this. It's like a lilac. Oh my god. Oh my god. So you can use these for your eyes too. So I think I'm gonna keep that there. I say vegan, cruelty free. And then the last one is in Flamethrower. Oh my god, look at this orange. Okay, this one I'm gonna put in for the giveaway too. I'm just gonna open it and smell it. No scent. So this is like a beautiful orangey, kind of like amber color. Cute. Okay, oh my god, there's lots of stuff under here. So this is another clothing item. I thought this was packaging, to be honest. Oh my god, this looks expensive. This is a hoodie. Oh my god, the inside is like so soft. So this hoodie, it looks like that unicorn blood color. It's a nice like deep maroon, and then right here it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I really like this. It's a good quality sweatshirt. Pocket in there to put your pop socket in. Okay, then we have, I think this is a hand mirror, and I love these for doing like makeup tutorials and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Ooh, it's so cute. So it's this yellow one. I love them so much. I think they're so cute, like to take on vacation or to do like makeup tutorials with. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that was one that I've never had before. Wow, this was a good haul. So I have these three items here that are going to be for you guys for a giveaway if you would like to enter. So we have Velour lip scrub in grape soda, lip ammunition in unicorn blood, and then last but not least, the Velour liquid lipstick in Flamethrower. And I'm also gonna throw in this pop socket too because I'm scared to use it. So there'll be 4 items in the giveaway if you wanna win. I'm gonna make it really easy. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do it on Instagram because I can pick a comment really quickly and message people like direct like that. So follow me on Instagram and comment on this picture right here. Whatever you comment will be automatically entered. And then I will announce the winner on my story on Instagram. All the rules and stuff will be in the description box, so I'm very excited, so go enter. So that was everything that was in the mystery box. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these and give you guys things that I will not use and I just know I won't use. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. And by the way, we're doing Vlogmas on our vlog channel. Link will be down below if you guys care and want to watch Vlogmas. Love you guys, bye!